Okay guys, I'm gonna climb under so you can hear the sound. Sounds like it's coming from right around the oil pan or here where the flex plate is. Sounds like something's loose. Also, is that wet oil right there? That wasn't there a couple days ago. I wiped all that clean, so it's coming from somewhere. It looks like around the pan is clean, so I don't know if it's coming from out of there or what, but anyway, there you have it.